Today, we're gonna make some healthy oatmeal raisin cookies. Oh, I found this healthy recipe from amyshealthybaking.com, which I will link below. It asks for 1 cup of the quick oats. So we'll just use this ½ cup. Mainly because I don't want to dig for my 1 cup. Now we got flour. So it calls for 3/4 cup of the flour. Oh my god. Oh my god. Egg. Such a cutie. So we got Nick's holding Karma up in the corner to, I don't know, maybe scare me. Okay, so now for the baking powder. I actually had a man complain to me once. He was complaining about measuring cups, and he was like we were at just a grocery store, and he was like, "I'm so upset. They got rid of the 3/4 measuring cup. What were they thinking?" And I'm just like, I don't know. But secretly, I was just like, why don't you just use 1/4 3 times? That's what it's for. Silly. Silly, man. Okay, we're gonna use the same thing for ground cinnamon. 1½ teaspoons. So I'm just gonna take this little lid off, because it makes measuring easier. So you thought this was a cooking video? It's actually the cinnamon challenge. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that. I know it. I would die. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, which just really means I'm just gonna pour a random amount of salt in and hope it works out. Who measures salt? Oh yeah, I have the Himalayan pink salt. Whatever. But yeah, it's awesome. It's full of all these like minerals. So I put the coconut oil in this small bowl. Yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Getting my arm workout. So now we can mix together the powdered stuff. Oh my god, the smell of the cinnamon is intense. Time to finish with the liquid stuff. Un egg, un huevo. Don't worry, I did take Spanish for like 12 years. Okay. Un huevo. Time to seamlessly crack the egg. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I think I have to mix this liquid stuff. Gosh, I feel like I should have melted the coconut oil. Maybe if I put it in the microwave for like 5 seconds. Let's give it a shot. Okay, wait, maybe it is. I don't know. I feel like I cooked the egg a little bit. I don't know. You tell me. I think it's dissolved, and that's all I care about. ½ cup. Ooh. 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 I have a 1/4 cup already. I thought I had a ½ cup. I definitely had a ½ cup. Ooh. Even better. Time for the agave. Okay, into the egg soup. I know I should be using a liquid measuring thing, but you know what? This works great. Okay, add in the flour mixture, stirring until just incorporated, which I've learned from people who are more experienced with cooking that that's actually an important detail. Like, you don't just, you know, keep going with the mixing, because it can make it super freaking dry. Look at that mixture. Hey, stir. So it's a lot of dry stuff. Let's see if it really gets covered in liquid. Fold. Oh wait, I stirred it a lot. Okay, well hopefully it's not dry. I just love making it super homogenized. Sorry. 1/4 cup or 40 grams. Each box has around 30 grams, and I like raisins, so we're just gonna do 2 boxes. Time to fold these little raisins. So this is what our final mixture looks like. Kind of beautiful. We're gonna cover it for 30 minutes. Well, I'm probably gonna go work out actually, so. And then I'm gonna do a yoga class, so it's gonna be about like 2 hours from now. Okay, so I'm back from my workout, and now it's time to see what's happened to the cookie dough. I've set out a sheet with some tin foil ready. I've preheated the oven to 325. So here it is. Looks pretty good. So we're making 15 round little balls. I mean, it said just like drop it on there, but making them kind of cute little balls. But yeah, I'm making them like this. So like an inch. Karma. She really wants my attention right now. Yeah, these are gonna be super raisiny. High fiber, you know? Karma agrees. Okay, so it's time to put them in the oven. This is how they look before. Before. We're about to see the final product. Definitely forgot to flatten them. Apparently, I was rereading the instructions and it said, try to flatten them. Yeah. I don't know, they kind of look exactly the same but warmer. So, I guess we'll wait and see once they've cooled if they've changed consistency at all. Okay, so all the cookies have been cooled down, so it's time to taste them. Definitely not too dry. You got this. So, till next time.